Now we were in illustration 2, revenue statement, that we finished. Then we summarized various situations. Now let's have a recap of them. SGST, CGST. Now SGST is there on input, CGST is there on output. Can we set off? Not possible. So CGST is there on input, SGST is there on output. Can we set off? Not possible. So where SGST, CGST is there, the question of set off itself is not there. So if set off is possible, then we have to think about next question, that is central government, state government and union territories. So whether amount has to be transferred from central government to state government or state government to central government, that will come only when first question, if it is possible. What is the first question? SGST, CGST, can we set off? It is not possible to set off. Question of transfer of money from central government to state government to central government will not arise. Next, situation 1, we have SGST, we have SGST. So on input SGST is there, on output SGST component is there. So here both are with the state government. So question of set off is possible, no doubt. Question of transfer of money from central government to state government to central government, all that will not arise because both are with central government, both are with state government. Next, situation 2, CGST, CGST. So on input CGST is there, on output CGST is there. Set off, is it possible? Yes, possible. Transfer, is it required? Not required. Why? Because both are with central government only. So question of transfer of money does not arise. Set off, is it possible? Yes, possible. Then 3, IGST is there on input, CGST is there on output. Set off, is it possible? Yes, set off is possible. Transfer, is it required? Transfer of money is not required. Why? Because IGST also is there with central government, CGST is also there with central government. So transfer is not required. Transfer of money from central government to state government to central government, that question does not arise because both are with IGST and CGST, both the accounts are with central government only. Next, on input CGST is there, on output IGST is there. So CGST component we are setting off against IGST component on output. First of all, whether it is possible to set off? Yes, possible to set off. Next question, amount, is it required to be transferred from any of the governments? CGST also is there with central government, IGST is also there with central government. So question of transfer of money between governments does not arise. So here input, here we are talking about output. Here we are talking about, one is input, another we are talking about output. So in these 4 situations, question of transfer of money from different governments, it is not required. Central government to state government to central government, all that we don't have to bother, because in each of these situations it is there with only one government. Either the money is there with central government or the money is there with state government, so transfer is not required. Now, so as of now, what we discussed, SGST component is there, CGST component is there, set off is not at all possible. So transfer of money does not arise. Then we discussed 4 situations where again set off is possible, but transfer of money not required because money is there with either central government or state government. So when does actually the transfer of money, issue of transfer of money arise? So if SGST is there on input, IGST is there on output. SGST is there on input, IGST is there on output. Set off, is it possible? SGST can be set off against IGST. Transfer of money, is it required from transfer of money, is it required? Yes. Here SGST is being set off against IGST. So state government has to transfer the amount, equivalent amount that is set off, the amount equal to amount that is set off to central government. SGST is with state government, IGST is with central government. So state government has to transfer to central government. What amount? Amount that is being set off. Whatever amount that is being set off, equal amount has to be transferred. Next. Input IGST is there. Output SGST is there. Set off, is it possible? Yes, possible. Now, who has to transfer to whom? Is it required? Yes, transfer is required. Why? IGST is there with central government, SGST is there with state government. So central government has to transfer to state government. IGST, how much amount? Amount, IGST amount that is set off against SGST amount. Set off amount equal to amount set off. That much amount central government has to transfer to state government. So considering all the situations, what we can finally summarize, first of all, we have summarized. Summary of summary. What we can finally summarize, so 2 questions normally we have to ask. One is whether set off is possible. Next question, if set off is possible, who has to transfer to whom? Central government to state government, state government to central government. Who has to transfer to whom? Amount equal to set off. So that issue will arise only if SGST component is there, IGST component is there, then only transfer of amount between governments will arise. So if input SGST is there, output IGST is there, then state government has to transfer to central government. If input IGST is there, output SGST is there, then central government has to transfer to state government. So summary, final summary, what is that? If on input and output components of SGST and IGST are there and they are being set off against each other, only then transfer of amount, transfer of amount is required between central government to state government or state government to central government. This is the final summary. So normally we have to ask in any of the issues, first we have to ask whether set off is possible. Next, if set off is not possible, question of transfer does not arise. Next question, if set off is possible, which government has to transfer to which government? central has to transfer to state, or state has to transfer to center. So now, of all the situations what we analyzed, which is the situation where transfer of amount, the need for transfer of amount arises only where components of SGST is there, component of IGST is there, and SGST is set off against IGST, or IGST is set off against SGST. Only in this situation, transfer of amount, need for transfer of amount between central government to state government to central government will arise. So this is important. This is the only thing finally that will happen.